Winds gusting at times over 30 to 35 miles an hour through early afternoon means the impact there as far as your lower wind chill temperatures, single digits and teens through the afternoon, and then the temperatures themselves fade into the teens with wind chills in the single digits later on tonight. Snow shower activity will continue to wind down as the day wears on. We've had some snow shower activity up through the White Mountains of the Great North Woods and a few flurries in southern spots. The wind goes down to just breezy later this afternoon, tonight, and still a noticeable breeze for the day tomorrow. From there, we'll be looking for the next system to wander in. That system, as it stands right now, could give us a little band of light snow later Saturday night and into Sunday morning before pulling away. A lot of that occurring while most are sleeping. And then from there, we wait for our next system, which could be a combination of rain and snow up north and some rain shower activity in southern areas. The wind gusts over 35 miles an hour abate later this afternoon to some gusts over 20 miles an hour. And again, still a breezy day for us tomorrow, but it won't be as gusty. You can notice those wind chills as we go through the afternoon in the single digits and teens, and that's where they stay until sometime around mid to late afternoon tomorrow, when the temperatures themselves get back into the 20s to lower 30s. 7-day forecast has us back to either side of 40 early next week with shower activity off and on.